The thrill of the 2025 Daejeon Midnight Festival was undaunted by intense heat and rain. Opening on August 8, the 2025 Daejeon Midnight Festival drew 870,000 people in 3 days. An increase of about 100,000 over the same period the previous year. The 3-day total of 779,928 last year was much exceeded by the daily attendance of 247,000 on the 8th, 325,000 on the 9th, and 294,000 on the 10th. The success is attributed by the city of Daejeon to the increase of family-friendly activities, the expansion of experience-based content, and the exceptionally cool early summer weather. The event this year was especially warmly appreciated, and the number of booths where visitors could participate increased significantly. The festival this year began with an air show by the Air Force's Black Eagles Special Flight Unit and a calligraphy performance wishing for a successful and safe event. The event still adheres to its 3 no's: no price gouging, no littering, and no safety incidents. A magnificent 90-minute time travel parade that traveled across the past zone, present zone, and future zone was part of the opening event. The Kamdori Robot and Kamsi Persona, international performing groups, a steam locomotive, the Korea Memorial Road, a speed dance team, a hydrogen tram, traditional folk games, dignitaries, cheer squads, and a ceremonial band were all part of the parade. The wedding of Kamdori and Kamsuni, which took place on the main stage at Junggang RO, was the centerpiece of the opening ceremony for the 2025 Daejeon Midnight Festival. The public has long forgotten Kamdori, the adored mascot of the 1993 Daejeon Expo. However, Kamdori was able to start a merchandise company and release goods including Kamdori ramen, makgeolli, and walnut cookies because of Daejeon City's youth rental support program. He became financially independent as a result of these efforts, and he eventually married Kamsuni. International food experiences and samples of local specialty beverages were popular at the Sister City Promotion Center. The Waterworks headquarters, Itsu, Daejeon Tap Water Sampling Corner and the Daejeon Fire Department's fire extinguisher demonstration helped to promote a healthy festival culture and increase public knowledge of safety. The Kkamdoli Matjam series, in Daejeon City also attracted interest. In just 3 days, 3,400 boxes of the series, which was based on regional staples including ramen, makgeolli, and walnut cookies, were sold. At the same time, K-pop music venues, which are usually crowded, reported smaller attendance this year compared to prior years. This was explained by a representative of the Daejeon City Central Situation Room. As family visitors returning home before the concert and audience members diligently following safety guidelines. The erratic weather in early August was a concern, but it actually proved to be ideal for enjoying the festival, stated Lee Jang-woo, the mayor of Daejeon. He continued, "We will continue to prioritize citizen safety during the remaining festival days." In the meantime, compared to the same period last year, the number of complaints received over the festival period dropped by about 26%. The most frequent issues were related to food, loudness, and program details. Thank you for watching.